It's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to take a look at the electric burner here, the Elite Gourmet electric single burner. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Fairly simple box. Instruction manual. So first impressions, it definitely has a nice, clean, sleek look. The chrome bezel around the heat plate is a nice touch. It's got a flat black appearance to it. Knob feels real nice, high quality knob, and you know, shorter cord, but most of these do have shorter cords on them. On the bottom here, we do have some nice rubber on the little pegs for keeping it off the surface of whatever you're putting it on, typically a countertop. Yeah, really nice unit. Let's plug it in and see how it works. Okay, so we have it plugged in and we have it on setting 1. It recommends running it on the first setting. We've got some heat coming out of here. Running it on the lowest heat setting for 15 minutes to burn off any of the smells, wiping it with a damp washcloth, get off any residual oils, and then you're off to the races. Okay, now that we've had it sitting for a while, I'm going to go ahead and put some hot water on here. We'll use this typically for doing our coffees in the morning. So yeah, it heats up really nice. Excellent burner, very low cost, easy to clean up, and looks great on the countertop. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.